the fundamental premise of this work. College reflects the larger society in which it exists. And two things that are very scarce, I think, in our society right now: time for what I'm calling reflection, the opportunity to slow things down a little bit, to get away from the soundbite and to really think through complicated issues. We don't seem to be doing that very well right now in our society. The media doesn't do it very well. I'm not sure our politicians do it very well. Colleges and universities have an obligation to equip students to think carefully about difficult issues. And the other thing, we're not talking and listening to one another. We're shouting, we're dismissing, or we're applauding. But actual thinking aloud, which is what good conversation should be, is pretty scarce. And we think that the college classroom is a place that can happen.